baby tails.
Hello, art enthusiasts. Welcome back to our creative space. Today, we have an exciting project in store: drawing and coloring an adorable panda. Let's begin with the panda's head. Draw a large circle. This will serve as the foundation for our lovable panda. Now, add 2 smaller circles on either side of the head for the panda's ears. They make our panda even more endearing. Add 4 round paws, 2 on the front and 2 on the back. Pandas have the cutest little paws, so make them round and cuddly. Extend a curved line from the head for the panda's body. Make it plump and huggable. Create those adorable facial features. Draw to big, round eyes. Don't forget to leave a small section uncolored for the shine in the eyes. Add a cute, round nose just below the eyes. Draw a gentle curve beneath the nose to form the mouth. Give your panda a sweet, friendly smile. comes the fun part, coloring. Give your panda its iconic black and white coloration. Black for the eyes, ears, arms, and legs, and white for the rest of the body. Color the heart balloon with pink. And there you have it, a charming, cute panda ready to brighten your day. Remember, art is all about expressing yourself and having fun. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to subscribe for more fun art, tutorials, and creative adventures. Until next time, keep your artistic palette filled with cuteness.